In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up crossplay and cross-save on Destiny 2. This feature allows you to enjoy your game across different platforms and ensures that your progress travels with you, no matter where you're playing. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly switch between devices and keep your gameplay smooth and continuous. First things first, you'll need to log into your main platform. This is the platform where you've made the most progress or simply the one you use the most. Once you're logged in, head over to the Destiny 2 website and sign into your Bungie account. If you haven't created one yet, now is a great time to do so. Your Bungie account acts as your unified identity in the Destiny universe, which is why it's crucial to have this set up properly before we proceed. After logging into your Bungie account, navigate to the cross-save section on the website. Here you'll see all the available platforms that Destiny 2 supports. You'll want to link your accounts from each platform that you plan to play on. This step is important because linking all relevant accounts ensures that your character data, achievements, and progress can be shared across any device you choose to play on. To link an account, simply select the platform from the list, be it PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, Stadia, or any other supported system. Following the prompts, input the necessary login credentials for each platform. Don't worry if this feels a bit repetitive, it's crucial for ensuring that the setup process is completed correctly. Now, with your accounts linked, it's time to activate cross-save. You should see an option labeled Activate Cross-Save. Click on it, and you'll be given a chance to review the characters and progression from your main account. Once confirmed, select the option to finalize your choice. This essentially tells the system which account's data will take precedence and be shared across all other platforms. A heads up before you proceed, once you've activated cross-save, you won't be able to switch to using different accounts for 90 days, so make sure you're confident with your choices before finalizing the setup. This cooldown period is in place to protect the integrity of account management and maintain a fair play environment. With cross-save now activated, you might be wondering about crossplay. Good news! Crossplay is enabled by default with cross-save, meaning you can instantly join friends on different platforms. Just make sure everyone is on your friends list in Destiny 2, so coordinating games becomes a breeze. If you're setting this up for a group, encourage your friends to check their cross-save settings, too, so everyone is ready to go. There you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up crossplay and cross-save on Destiny 2. Enjoy the freedom of playing on your preferred platform without losing any progress or having to start over. Stick around for more tips and tricks, and happy gaming!